Hi, another Fret Tips episode for you guitar pedal lovers out there. Now this time we'll look at pedal maintenance and cleanup, which is especially useful for those who buy and sell a lot of pedals, or you simply want to do a regular polish and clean every now and then. If you have regular gigs in clubs, bars, or outdoors in nature, and you bring your pedals with you, getting dust, dirt, and spilled drinks on your pedals is almost inevitable. So time to pull out your cleaning kit. Here I have two pedals I received a few days ago, the Tech 21 DLA and TC Ditto. Let's check out the DLA first. It came in a ragged, non-original box for a guitar wall mount, and when I opened it up, it was dirty, sticky with some cheap Velcro underneath. I kept it in this condition for this video, and we're going to clean it up. Before I do any of the cleaning, I power it up and check that it functions properly, in case I need to send it back or have it repaired. Then I remove the knobs and get to work. I'm using a soft cleaning cloth, some paper towels, regular guitar cleaning liquid. Those of you with boutique hand-painted pedals should check if the finish reacts with any of the substances I will be using today. And next is an old toothbrush, and onto the cans, the WD-40, contact spray, and fader lube. On the bottom of the pedal, there's some sticky lower quality Velcro. If it's stuck on there pretty good, you might use a pair of pliers and pull away from the pedal with a firm grip. The important thing with this process is patience. If there's glue residue on the pedal, use WD-40 as it will dissolve glue from Velcro strips. Spray a generous amount on, be sure it won't trickle down the sides or into any jacks or pots, and let it do its magic. After a few minutes, wipe away the dissolved glue, and if there's any left, apply some more WD-40 and use a blunt plastic object. I use the handle of the toothbrush, gently rub, and finally wipe with a paper towel. Then, remove the knobs and spray some fader lube into the pots while turning them to work the liquid into the mechanism. Finally, spray the guitar cleaning liquid onto a soft cloth and wipe the guitar pedal down, removing any dirt and grime. After that, I also like to open up the pedal and check inside. Wipe the bottom plate. Close the pedal up and place the knobs back onto the pots. Before powering it up and testing it once again, I spray some contact spray onto a guitar cable jack tip and insert it into the pedal jacks a few times to clean up the contacts. I do the same with the 9-volt barrel input jack. And that's it. After that, power up the pedal and you're ready to rock. Any suggestions or cleanup routines? Put it in the comment section below. Now keep those like and subscribe buttons pressed, and see you next time on Fret Tips.